Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, what is the common name of the following compound CH3CH2OCH3? And the answer of the question is, the common name of the compound CH3CH2OCH3 is ethyl methyl ether. In the common naming system for ethers, the alkyl group attached to the oxygen are named in alphabetical order, followed by the word ether. Here ethyl comes before methyl alphabetically, so it is named as ethyl methyl ether. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.